Welcome to the new class of the grade 10th. We are discussing about geography 6th chapter, that is a manufacturing of industries. So yesterday we have learned a little part of the aluminum splitting. So today I am going to explain about process of manufacturing in a aluminum industry. So in a chemistry also we are learning about these metals, and in a previous classes in a 8th standard and uh, in 8th standard already we are learnt about in a manufacturing how these metals are taken from or extracted from a earth. Yes. So here the process of the manufacturing in a aluminum industry. So aluminum, it is taken from a, that is a raw ore called as a bauxite. So how much bauxite it is needed? Here 4 to 6 tons of the bauxite it is manufactured, or after the purifying it is remains 2 tons of the alumina, and alumina, it is 2 tons of alumina, it is after the processing of it is made as a 1 ton of aluminium. Here when they will when they will taking from these bauxite, or the extract that bauxite ore, that is a raw material, and it is called as a bauxite quarries means where they will extract that ore or the raw material of a particular metal. So and it is transported with the help of the railways or waterways, that is rail and ship. So here bauxite is crushed and alumina as dissolved out. So they will use a particular techniques, and they will crush that one. They will take yesterday we discussed about the process of steel and iron. Like that only the process they will take here also. They will crushed out and dissolved out, that is aluminium refinery, that is a refinery they will make. And the alumina, so when they will make these alumina, after that they will make the these bulk of ore shifting to the for the splitting. The splitting, it is that is a way where they are using a high temperature to make that metal to as a liquid. Yes. So that is they are called as a splitting. So that one, and another one is they are the using of the petroleum, coke for the refinery. So here they are the using for the different methods of the making to send that aluminium and pitch from the colliery. So it is, these are three methods they are using. And finally that here when we see this aluminium industry, so it is a required high electricity, the high voltage electricity they are the needed for to do these aluminium industries, or the aluminium manufacturing of the process of aluminium. So the after the molten metal, the act it is as a electrolysis. So here it is reactions of chemicals. When we will understand by a chemistry, that time we will understand the easily for these and aluminum smelters, they are the needed the high ton of the electricity. Here the first process, that is the raw material, they are the using that raw material for to that is a bauxite, and the bauxite that is a crushed, and after the crushing it is a make a bulk of these liquid, and after the liquid that is transporting to the splitting, they are the making the splits of or the roles of these aluminum, and finally they are distributing those aluminum sheets and as well as rods, though for to the other industries to manufacturing for to the other tools. The main important that is they are using for making aeroplanes as well as vessels, wires, they are using, and some equipments they are making for to the help of these aluminum. For reference, you can refer a 10th grade NCERT textbook. Thank you.